To completely soundproof a room would take a lot of time and money. But there are some easy ways to control noise and improve acoustics, especially in TV, home theater, or music areas. Upholstered furniture and bookcases naturally absorb sound, which bounces off hard surfaces and vibrates into empty space. Rugs with thick padding underneath also help, along with window treatments, and the denser the fabric, the better. Acoustic panels are another option, and with a few inexpensive materials, you can make your own. You'll need sound insulation, like this 2x4 mineral wool available online, 1x2-inch pine boards to form a frame, wood screws, and if you like, brackets, hanging supplies, any breathable fabric, a drill or hammer, saw, staple gun, scissors, measuring tape, gloves, and eye protection. To build the frame, make sure the wood strips are cut to size. We're overlapping the shorter sides like this. Then pre-drill holes through each corner so it'll be easier when you drive in the screws. For extra support, try corner braces. Next, position the fabric for the back, cutting it to wrap over the sides. Then staple it to the frame, starting in the middle and keeping it taut, folding extra fabric into the corners. Hammer the staples if needed. Place the insulation inside your frame and your fabric for the front underneath. Then staple about every 3 inches, tucking in so the fabric doesn't fray. Reinforce the corners with more staples. Once the panel is done, just add the hanging support to the back. Then mount it to the wall and you're ready to rock and roll.